I'm at it again with Jonathan, the Merchant SVT. As you can hear in the background, there is a twin-turbo 1987 Foxbody Mustang. We just started up. It was really loud, first of all. And he was like, well, I can open the cutouts in order to get loud. You can open the cutouts now. It's insanely loud. I don't know if you guys can even hear me right now. But out of all the cars we did the R8, the Termi, the Cobra, the M3. This car is going to scare me the most. It's a twin-turbo freaking Mustang. Look at this. It's filling it up with race gas right now. Let's do it, baby. Whoa, I didn't know you were doing that right now. Oh my God, that was loud. What the? All right, so as it stands at this very moment, the R8 is definitely my favorite for obvious reasons. I'm a supercar guy, and it's a twin-turbo V10 R8. And I did get to drive that one. That one will forever have my heart, you know, because it's Orlando's like brother. He's tuning the car right now before we head out, but this one might earn the spot for my favorite because it is so well done. It's like a brand new car. I say that, you know, it is a 1987, but I can't explain to you, like, listen to this. That pop, and then that it just feels like a G-Wagon almost. And then it has, is this suede or Alcantara? Yeah, same thing, you know. But this car is so well put together that you guys, like, I can't explain it to you guys over the camera. If you've seen this car in person at Ale and Octane or anything like that, just look a little bit closer next time. It's so well done. It's so hard to get it on camera. But like the engine bay, for example, as you've probably seen in other shots, the turbo's down here. The car doesn't seem like it's 1987. It seems like it's, I would say, mid-2000s and then maybe redone a little bit, but I mean, the fit and finish on this is amazing. All right, now that we got some light, look at the freaking Recaro seats reupholstered from a guy from Indonesia. I don't really know his name. Look at the roll cage. It's just, I can't even explain to you guys how well, like, put together and solid this car feels. I just did this like I was gonna move that. I don't know why, but here we go. First time sitting, oh God. First time sitting in it, you really drop down in the seat. Can't see over the hood whatsoever. Sunroof. Smells amazing here, I'll tell you that, but it literally looks like it's just rolled out the factory. That's how you start it. That's insane. Alrighty, in the car, you guys recognize this guy. He needs no introduction, but obviously, Jonathan, Merchant SVT, own everything. There's a Mini Cooper up here getting a real feel. Okay, already just rolling, it feels so, it's a lot more raw than the other cars. It's a little different. Yeah. Just open the cutouts there. A lot louder than other cars. All right, I'm scared. This is exactly where my eyes are right now.
You gotta like look over the side.
Yeah. All right, so the story behind this, I think you said, was what, your first car? Or?
This is my very first car. Yep.
This
bought it when I was 16 years old.
So you bought it when you were 16.
Yep.
Had it sitting in storage or at your mom's house?
Yeah, I drove it through high school and college, and then you know, work, life, all that good stuff.
Yeah.
Kind of just sat like in either front of my mom's house, storage unit, over like the next 10, 15 years.
And we talked about this car I think a couple times in these videos, and I've been waiting to see this start, to see this get done for years now. I think I've known Jonathan for 7.5 years, something like that.
Yeah, it's been a hot minute.
And it's been a long time. Oh my gosh, I'm blurry. There we go. It's been a long time. I'm excited for this car, and I'm actually pretty damn scared too. But luckily for me, so I don't piss myself, there's a little bit of traffic. How much horsepower does this have?
So it made 1160. We're probably running around about 8, 9 right now.
Yeah, 11 is to the wheel. That's that point over here. To the wheel. It's 1160 to the wheel. what he was telling me is he didn't even, that one pull we did was like maybe half, 3/4 of throttle, maybe not even 3/4, which is absolutely insane. Holy crap. Whoa. Holy crap. All right, there was a point there where I did get a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. I got a little bit scared. That was all right though. That when you hit second and the boost kicked in.
What?
So you hit second and the freaking, I felt that boost. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I wasn't recording, but there's that 2-step button right there. He clicked that, and I mean, I held it down, revved it up, and it shot. I feel like it shot a huge flame. I felt something. I feel like I shit myself. Just shot out the bag. Bah! We're gonna. I think we got that earlier actually on the camera.
Ready for a little 2-step?
Yep.
2-step.
Oh, I love that. I wish I had twin turbos in the Camaro. Now that, I was actually wanting to do that at one point. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. This car is freaking scary. Scared the shit out of me, man. I just want to remind you guys, we're on a low boost setting right now. So, that was crazier than the R8, obviously. Oh my gosh. And to turn this up would be absolutely, I would say it would be illegal. Honestly, I'd probably report them, put them in prison. It's so fast. Even just, you forget how fast just 800, even 700 horsepower would be.
Oh yeah.
And like, because these days everybody's like, oh, if your car's have 1,000 horsepower, then whatever. But that's fast. That's really fast. I think you said like 800, 900 horsepower right now.
Yeah, probably 8, 9, somewhere in there, I think.
So turned it up. I think you said you wanted to get to a 1,400 or something like that.
Good. It'd probably do it.
Oh, yeah. I would not ride in this car if it had that much horsepower. I would not. Alright, that's easily the craziest car I've ever ridden in. I'm going to end this video here. I really appreciate you guys watching. Jonathan, I appreciate you taking the car out there for me. I'm hungry, I'm sweaty, I'm tired. It's not that hot, thank God, but that exceeded my expectations of what I've been hoping this car would be for years now. And I hope he does another crazy car that I can come down and do, or maybe a POV drive on the R8. I'll never know, you know? But yeah. If you guys like that, like, comment, subscribe, share, and I will see you when I see you.